Welcome. Let us start part 2 of the chapter Determinant and Matrix. Today, let us take the first problem as x plus y, 4x plus 2y, 6x plus 5y, 3x plus y plus 2y, 14x plus 5y and 5x plus y, 12x plus 2y and 22x plus 5y. This determinant, value of this determinant is number 1, independent of x only. Number 2, independent of y only. Independent of x and y both, and none of these. So there are 4 options and we have to find the value of that and to show whether it is independent of x and so on. So operating this determinant as operating R2 minus 2 times R1, I try to make it 0, and R3 minus 5 times R1. This become x plus y. This we have to multiply this by 2 and subtract so that it is equal to 2x. It becomes 0. And this is 5 times R1 means this 5x, 6x minus 5x, so x, and this is 0. Now second row, 3x plus y, it is this minus 2 times of that, 2x, y becomes 0, and this is 5 times that, 15, the minus x, 14x, just 1 minute, is it 14x or हाँ 14x minus x minus 5, 15, 14 minus 15 is minus x and y becomes 0, and this is 5x plus y, this is 2x plus 0, this is 5 into 5, that is 25, তাহলে minus 3x, this is 0. Now we can take x common from there and x common from there. So x square, x from R1 and x from R2 and x from R3. So it is x plus y, 3x plus y, 5x plus y, then it is 2, 2, 2, and 1 minus 3. Next, operate, try to make it 0 and make this 0. So operating C1, C2 dashed is equal to C2 plus C1 and C3 dash is equal to C3 plus 3 times C1. This becomes x square into x plus y, 3x plus y, 5x plus y. First column is intact, 2, this is 1. Second, it is second column is C2 plus C1, C2 plus C1, so 4, and this is 0. This is this plus that is 4, and this is this 0. So that I get in third row, one element is non-zero, other two is 0. So expand with that row, we get it will be x square into 1 into the corresponding determinant 3x plus y 4, and this is 5x plus y 4. So it is equal to x square into 12x plus 4y minus 20x minus 4y, so that it is equal to x square into minus 8x. So it is equal to minus 8x square. So it depends only on x. Better you please check the calculation, this step and that step. Answer may be different. Option 4, option 3 may be correct. You try to check this and process is exactly same. Our next problem. The value of 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x, this is also 2 to the power x. Second column is 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power minus x whole square. 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power minus x whole square, and it is third column. Whole square. This is 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power minus x whole square, and last one is 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power minus x whole square. Value of this is, options are 1, 0, 2 to the power x, 3 to the power x, 4 to the power x, and fourth option is 3 to the power 4x. So it is equal to 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x. Then this is equal to 2 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power minus 2x, and product term is whole square, product term is minus 2. Minus 2 into this into that, they become 1. Similarly, this is equal to 3 to the power 2x plus 3 to the power minus 2x minus 2 by same argument. This is 4 to the power 2x plus 4 to the power minus 2x minus 2. This one is almost same, but this product term is plus 2. So it is 2 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power minus 2x plus 2. This is 3 to the power 2x plus 3 to the power minus 2x, 4 to the power minus 2x plus 2. Now operating C3 dash is equal to C3 minus C2. This become 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x. And from there we can take 2 to the power x common from there. So 2 to the power x into 1, 1, 1. Then this is intact. Just write this here, this thing here, and that thing here. And C3 dash is C3 minus C2. So this term cancels, this term cancels. So 2 minus minus plus 2. So it is 4. This is 4. This is 4. Now from there 4 can be taken common. So after that this column become 1, 1, 1, and first column is already 1, 1, 1. This is 1, 1, 1, this is also 1, 1, 1. So two columns are identical, so value of the determinant is 0. So our option, second option is correct. Next problem. Our next problem. Next problem is the value of alpha for which the system of equations alpha, sorry, this is not alpha, the value x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to alpha x. Second equation is 5x plus y plus 3z is equal to alpha y. This is 3. And third equation is 3x plus 5y plus z is equal to alpha z has an infinite number of solutions, and the options are, the values of alpha are 1, 4, 6 and 9. So the given problem is, actually there are three equations, three homogeneous equations with three unknown. Homogeneous equations of x, y and z each are first degree. These equations have an infinite number of solutions. In that case, what is the value of alpha, this alpha? The equation can be written as 1 minus alpha into x plus 3, oh sorry, shall I write it 3y plus 5z is equal to 0. This become 5x plus 1 minus alpha into y plus 3z is equal to 0. And third one is 3x plus 5y plus 1 minus alpha z is equal to 0. So we get three equations with three unknown, and each are homogeneous equation, and x, y, z, their powers are each 1. This will be this have an infinite number of solution only if coefficient determinant of x, y, z become 0. That is, if 1 minus alpha 3 5 5 1 minus alpha 3 3 5 and 1 minus alpha, if this determinant is equal to 0. Operating C1 dash is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3, it will give you 8 9 minus alpha, again 9 minus alpha, this is also 9 minus alpha, and 3 1 minus alpha 5 5 3 1 minus alpha, if this is 0. 9 minus alpha can be taken common from C1. So this gives 9 minus alpha into 1 1 1 3 1 minus alpha and 5 5 3 1 minus alpha. Now making this and that, these two elements 0, we can very easily calculate the value of the determinant. And that's why we operate R2 minus R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. We get 9 minus alpha into 135 0. This become this minus 3, that is minus 2 minus alpha, and this is equal to minus 2, and this becomes 0. This is this minus that, that is 2, and this is this minus that, that is minus 4 minus alpha is equal to 0. So that we get 9 minus alpha into this determinant 1 into that determinant, so that it is equal to this minus, this is minus, so can be written as plus 4 is equal to 0. So 9 minus alpha into this is 8 plus 4 12, alpha 4 alpha plus 2 alpha plus 6 alpha plus alpha square is equal to 0. So we get three values of alpha. One alpha is clearly 9, and other two alphas can be obtained from here. But you see, its gradient is negative. So its roots are, this is equal to 0, its roots are imaginary. So only possible alpha is equal to 9. So option, fourth option is correct. Next problem. the determinant 1, 1 minus 2i, I is equal to root over of minus 1, 5i, then 1 plus 2i minus 3, 5 minus 3i minus 5i, 5 plus 3i and 9, sorry 7. This is value of the determinant is number 1 real, number 2 purely imaginary, number 3 2 plus 3i and it is equal to 2 minus 3i. So there are 4 options. Value of this is real, no I will be there, then purely imaginary, and then 2 other values are given. So from this determinant, by using any property of determinant, it cannot be simplified. Better you find the value of directly by expanding C1 or R1. I expand with respect to C1. So it is 1 into this determinant minus 3, 5 minus 3i, 5 plus 3i, 7. Then minus 1 minus 2i into 1 plus 2i minus 5i, 5 minus 3i, 7 plus 5i, 1 plus 2i minus 5i minus 3, 5 plus 3i. Now, simply by expanding these second order determinants, its value can be calculated and its value will be ultimately minus 175. Its value after simplification, its value will be minus 175. So it is real. This option is correct. Next problem. The value of one omega to the power 2n, omega to the power n, omega to the power n, 1 omega to the power 2n. This is omega to the power 2n, omega to the power n and 1. Its value is options 0, omega, omega square and minus 1. So where omega is imaginary cube root of unity. The operating C1 dashed is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. We get 1 plus omega to the power n plus omega to the power 2n here. Same thing will be there and same thing will be in that place. So taking 1 plus omega to the power n plus omega to the power 2n common, 1, 1, 1. Omega to the power n 1, omega to the power 2n, omega to the power 2n, omega to the power n 1. Now again operating R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1, we get 1 plus omega to the power n into omega to the power 2n. So operating R2 minus R1, this minus that. First one is intact. Second one, this minus that, it is 0. It is 1 minus omega to the power n. This is omega to the power n minus omega to the power 2n. 0. This is omega to the power 2n minus omega to the power n, and this is 1 minus omega to the power 2n is equal to 1 plus omega to the power n plus omega to the power 2n into this determinant, because it is 1, 0, 0. So expanding about C1, the smaller determinant is this 1 minus omega to the power n, taking omega to the power n common, 1 minus omega to the power n. This is taking omega to the power n common, omega to the power n minus 1, and this is 1 minus omega to the power n into 1 plus omega to the power n. Now this is equal to, we can take 1 minus omega to the power n common from R1 and 1 minus omega to the power n common from R2 also. So it is equal to 1 plus omega to the power n plus omega to the power 2n into 1 minus omega to the power n whole square. Thing left is 1 omega to the power n. This is, I have taken 1 minus omega to the power n, so 1 is negative there, minus omega to the power n, this is 1 plus omega to the power n. So that this become 1 plus omega to the power n into 1 minus omega to the power n whole square into 1 plus omega to the power n plus omega to the power 2n. Its answer is 0, I think. Its answer will be 0. And we get answer this whole square and this whole square. Oh, the thing is 1 plus omega to the power n plus omega to the power 2n whole square into 1 minus omega to the power n whole square. So that it is equal to, multiplying this with that, 1 plus omega to the power n plus omega to the power 2n minus omega to the power n minus omega to the power 2n, this into that, minus omega to the power 3n. Now this cancels, and omega cube whole to the power n, omega cube is 1, so 1 to the power n is 1, so this is minus 1, this is plus 1, so it is 0, as because this is equal to 1. Yes, so our answer is 0. First option is correct. Now our next problem. If minus a square AB AC, this is AB AC, minus B square BC BC minus C square, this is given as K into A square B square C square, then value of K is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options are there. Value of K. Now we get, taking A common from R1, B common from R2 and C common from R3, we get from there B minus B, and this is taking C common, this is A, this is B, this is minus C, is equal to K A square B square C square. Once again I can take common from C1, B from C2 and C from C3, and it become A square B square C square into minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1, this is equal to K A square B square C square. Now let us try to calculate this value of this determinant, which is minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 adding operating R2 dash is equal to R2 plus R1 and R3 dash is equal to R3 plus R1. This is equal to minus 1 1 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 2, and this is 0, this is 2, this is 0. So expanding about C3, C1, this is equal to minus 1 into determinant is 0 2 2 0. So it is equal to minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to 4. So this determinant is 4. So I get 4 square, this is 4, 4 square b square c square is a k square b square c square. Therefore, k is equal to 4. This one. Now next problem. The value of determinant is root 15, 3, 2 into root 5 plus root 3 minus 1. Second column, root 21, root 30, 2 into root 7 plus root 10. Third column, root 30, root 21 and 2 root 10 plus root 7. Question is, value of that determinant is options 0, 9, 3 root 10, 3 root 7. Clearly, root 3 can be taken common from the first row and also from second row. Root 3 can be taken common from these two. So, root 3 into root 3, first row is root 5, root 7, root 10, root 3, root 10, root 21, root 7, and this is 2 root 5 plus root 3 minus 1. This is 2 root 7 plus root 10, and this is 2 root 10 plus root 7 is equal to. Now, operating R3 dashed is equal to R3 minus 2 times R1 minus R2. So from R3 we have to subtract 2 times R1 and R2. So first row intact, root 5, root 7, root 10. Second row also intact, root 3, root 10, root 7, and multiply this by this minus 2 times that. So this vanishes, this also vanishes, minus 1. Here 2 times this vanishes, it is 0. 2 times from this, 2 times R1, so this vanishes, 0. So it is equal to 3 into, I am expanding with respect to R3, so minus 1 into a determinant, root 7, root 10, root 10, root 7, so that it is equal to minus 3 into 7 minus 10. So another minus 3, so answer is 9. So this option is correct. Okay, today is up to this. If you feel that this video is helpful to you, then please share it, like it, and subscribe it if not yet subscribed. Yes, thank you.